Haven Wallet Full Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to my full review of the Haven Wallet. Links to the product and more resources are available in the description below. In this video, I'll give you a detailed breakdown of its features, strengths, weaknesses, and who it's best suited for, ensuring you have all the information you need to make an informed decision. The Haven Wallet is the official wallet for the Haven protocol, designed to manage private and offshore assets within the Haven ecosystem. It's built for users who value financial privacy and need a secure platform to handle Haven's unique features, like private stablecoins, XUSD, and other synthetic assets. As a non-custodial wallet, it ensures that you retain full control over your private keys, giving you complete ownership of your funds. One of its standout features is the ability to convert between Haven's native XHV token and various private synthetic assets directly within the wallet. This conversion is seamless, allowing you to take advantage of the Haven protocol's offshore storage and private transactions without relying on third parties. The wallet is available on multiple platforms, including desktop and mobile, ensuring accessibility across devices. Security is a key strength of the Haven Wallet. It uses local key storage and advanced encryption to protect your funds and data. Moreover, all transactions are routed through the Haven protocol, ensuring confidentiality by default. The interface is clean and user-friendly, which is particularly beneficial for those who are new to private cryptocurrencies or the Haven ecosystem. However, there are some weaknesses to consider. The wallet's functionality is entirely tied to the Haven protocol, meaning it's not suitable for users looking to manage multiple cryptocurrencies. Additionally, as with many privacy-focused wallets, syncing can sometimes be slower due to the added layers of encryption and decentralization. In summary, the Haven Wallet is an excellent choice for privacy-conscious users who are deeply invested in the Haven protocol and its ecosystem. Its secure, user-friendly design and unique asset conversion capabilities make it a standout for managing private and offshore assets. That said, its single ecosystem focus might not suit those looking for multi-asset support. Check the links in the description to explore more and get started.